Hi Daniel, thanks for joining us this beautiful morning. We have before you here our selection, that is Toyota HiAce. Other people call it drone. How do you call it from your country? You will leave the comment section below. Right over there we have 2012 model and it's a diesel powered engine. It's also a four-wheel drive. Right here we have petrol powered engine and it's 2011 model. It's also a four-wheel drive. This one is designed for transportation of goods and products, as you can see. But in other countries, you can modify seats for transporting people, which cannot exceed 14 passengers. Or you can design anything you want inside. Right over here, we have this high roof, as others also call drone. It has already having a seating capacity of 14 passengers. And it has this plate, which can make it stronger when you are climbing inside. It makes it durable because sometimes when they put plastic, it tends to break easily. But this plate, as you can see, this checker plate is very strong, even if you climb inside. And these seats are very executive, as you can see. They're spacious and it's good for companies and organizations when they are transporting your staff. This one, as I said, is a diesel-powered engine. It is also a manual transmission of 5 gears, and its interior is super perfect and super nice. It is designed in a way that it can attract your attention. Have a look at it. And the engine which is here is 1KD. So this engine is very good. It is automatic transmission. So it is also designed in a way that it can capture your attention. Have a look at it. Very nice. Are you a business owner, or you have a school, or you have an organization? You are getting challenged in transporting your product, or transporting children, or pupils, or students to and from the school, or from one place to another. Come and get one van, that is Toyota HiAce, right here from Yoshino-Trading Limited. We have very many of them in stock. This is only the few selections that we have, only blue colors, but we have many colors in stock. I look forward to see you right over here at Yoshino-Trading Limited. May God bless you. May Allah bless you. Bye-bye.